Have you ever wondered why the wealthy keep getting richer, even during recessions? It's not just stocks, real estate, or crypto. The wealthy have secret investments they rarely talk about publicly. But today, I'll reveal 5 of those hidden money moves. And number 4 is the opportunities you've probably never considered before. This is Review Daddy. Thank you for stopping by. Let's deep dive immediately. 1. Rare art and collectibles. The first secret investment is rare art and collectibles. We're talking Picasso paintings, vintage Ferraris, rare sneakers, even signed memorabilia. These assets aren't just luxury items. They're financial weapons. Here's why. According to the Deloitte Art and Finance Report, the global art market is worth over $65 billion annually. In fact, fine art has historically outperformed the S&P 500 in certain decades, especially during periods of inflation, because wealthy investors treat it as a store of value, just like gold. Take this example. A Jean-Michel Basquiat painting bought for $19,000 in 1984 sold for over $110 million in 2017. That's the kind of exponential growth Wall Street can only dream of. The wealthy gain access through private auctions, blue-chip art funds, and off-market deals. They know the right piece doesn't just decorate a room, it builds dynasties. For billionaires, art isn't just culture, it's currency. A quiet, untraceable form of wealth that grows while the rest of the world sleeps. Number 2 is private equity, the secret playground of the wealthy. While the average person is limited to buying stocks once they're already public, the rich invest in companies before they ever hit Wall Street. This gives them access to explosive growth, long before the average investor even hears about these businesses. According to Bain & Company, the global private equity market surpassed $8 trillion in assets under management in 2023. And it's growing faster than public markets. Why? Because private equity deals are less crowded, negotiated behind closed doors, and often structured to minimize risk while maximizing upside. Take Uber, Airbnb, or SpaceX. The early investors in these companies made fortunes that public investors could only dream of once the IPOs hit. Even institutions like Harvard and Yale pour billions from their endowments into private equity because they know this is where real wealth is built. The wealthy understand, public markets are for preservation. Private equity is for multiplication. 3, land banking. Billionaires quietly acquire massive acres of farmland, forests, and undeveloped land in strategic locations. Why? Because land is finite, and demand for it only grows as cities expand and populations increase. It's not just about owning dirt, it's about owning the future. Take Bill Gates, for instance. According to the Land Report, Gates has quietly become the largest private owner of farmland in the United States, with over 242,000 acres spread across on states like Louisiana, Arkansas, and Nebraska. This isn't a coincidence. It's a carefully calculated strategy. Farmland provides consistent returns through agriculture, and undeveloped land near urban centers appreciates dramatically as development pushes outward. Even major investment groups like BlackRock and Harvard's endowment fund have been buying land as a hedge against inflation and a way to preserve wealth. Land, unlike stocks or crypto, can't be printed, hacked, or erased. It's tangible, scarce, and always in demand. The wealthy know, land isn't just property, it's power. Whoever owns the ground beneath the city owns the future city itself. 4, venture capital and startups. Imagine putting just a few $1,000s into a tiny startup that later grows into the next Uber, Airbnb, or even Zoom. That's exactly what the wealthy do. They don't wait until these companies go public. They invest early, when valuations are low and the risks are high. Venture capital can deliver astronomical returns. For example, early investors in Uber saw their money multiply over 200 times when the company finally went public. Similarly, Airbnb's first backers turned relatively small checks into fortunes worth hundreds of millions of dollars. But here's the catch. Venture capital is extremely risky. Roughly 90% of startups fail, according to the Startup Genome Report. This is why most people never even hear about these opportunities until the winners are already billion-dollar unicorns. The wealthy know the secret. One successful bet can outweigh dozens of losses. That's why venture capital remains one of their most powerful wealth-multiplying tools. By the way, quick pause, because if billionaires care about protecting their money, you should care about protecting your data. That's where today's sponsor, NordVPN, comes in. Think of NordVPN like a private vault for your online life. It shields your browsing, blocks trackers, and keeps hackers away, whether you're on public Wi-Fi, traveling, or just scrolling at home. Plus, it lets you connect to servers all over the world so you can access content that might normally be locked in your region. Click the link in our description box now to get an exclusive deal plus a huge discount. Protect yourself today because privacy is wealth too. 5. Intellectual property and royalties. And finally, let's talk about intellectual property. One of the wealthiest, most underestimated yet powerful money machines. Think music catalogs, book rights, patents, and movie royalties. Every time a song plays on Spotify, Apple Music, or even in a TikTok video, the rights holder gets paid. Every time a film streams on Netflix, the owner collects a check. Here's a fact. Goldman Sachs estimates that the global music industry will be worth $153 billion by 2030. And music rights are one of the fastest growing investment classes. No wonder companies like Hypnosis Songs Fund have spent over $2 billion buying catalogs from artists like Neil Young and Shakira. Even big investors like Blackstone have entered the game, betting billions on intellectual property. For the wealthy, intellectual property is the ultimate cash flow machine. Unlike real estate or stocks, it doesn't depreciate or need repairs. It just keeps paying out royalties for decades. And that's why billionaires quietly scoop up IP rights, while most people don't even notice. So, these are 5 secret investments the wealthy never talk about. Rare art, private equity, farmland, startups, and royalties. Did you know the global art market alone is worth over $65 billion, and farmland has consistently outperformed the S&P 500 in the last 20 years? Private equity is where billionaires quietly multiply wealth, while royalties create passive income streams for decades. Startups, of course, are the breeding ground of the next trillion-dollar companies. Which of these surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. I want to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe and check the next video on your screen right now.